First, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the G29, which is Windows 7 or later. Locate the USB cable attached to your G29 racing wheel. Plug this USB cable directly into an available USB port on your computer. Avoid using USB hubs initially to ensure sufficient power and data transfer. Windows should automatically detect the G29 as a new device. Wait for the driver installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Next, plug in the power adapter into the G29 racing wheel and plug it into an outlet. Then, flip the switch on the G29 to PS4 or PS3 mode, depending on your preference and desired functionality. Download and install Logitech G Hub from the official Logitech website at support.logi.com. This software allows you to customize wheel settings like force feedback, button assignments, and sensitivity. Once installed, launch G Hub. It should automatically recognize your G29 steering wheel. Within G Hub, calibrate the wheel by following the on-screen prompts. This ensures accurate steering input. Configure the pedals in G Hub by testing and adjusting the sensitivity curves. Finally, launch your desired racing game. In the game settings, select the Logitech G29 as your input device. Map the in-game controls to the appropriate buttons, pedals, and wheel axes. Adjust force feedback settings within the game to your preference. If you experience issues, ensure your game and G Hub are updated to the latest versions. If that doesn't work, unplug and replug the USB and power cables into your G29.